Hello friends. Today I am going to show you my little off-grid power system that I use in power outage. I found this UPS in local scrapyard. I bought it for very cheap. After some cleaning, it worked fine. I modified it little bit. I installed 2 cooling fans on both sides to cool the transformer. And drilled some holes on the top for proper ventilation. As a battery charger, I bought cheap 20-amp power supply. If you want to use this kind of power supply as a charger, you need to modify it. You need to control its current output. Otherwise, both of your charger and battery will die very soon. As you can see here, I replaced current sensing resistor with potentiometer, and I adjusted output current to 5 amp because my battery is 45 amp hour, so 5 amp is perfect for my battery to safely charge up. Here I use 3 6A10 diodes to preventing the backward current from battery to power supply. Here is the my voltmeter. I don't use battery auto cutoff switch because my charging voltage is 14.1 volts after the battery fully charged. It doesn't take any current from power supply. Therefore, I don't think this system require auto cutoff circuit. And my battery is 45 amp hour car battery. Battery and power supply is the only part that I bought brand new for this system. Here is the my AC output cable. Don't think about this meter readings. This AC meter readings is stupid. I am going to show you in my future video how to add cooling fans to UPS from input voltage without using any kind of another 12-volt power supply, but only using one relay. I watched lots of videos on YouTube about how to add fans to UPS, but all those people's doing that connect another 12-volt power supply to UPS output and use it as a power source for cooling fan. What a waste of energy. Why don't you use only one relay to switch on when your UPS is on? In future video, I am going to show you how it's done. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to turn notifications on. That way you won't miss my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.